So let's say you're creating a meeting event using Google Calendar. So you're at calendar.google.com. You found the day that the meeting is going to happen on, let's say Thursday, July 7. I click on that date and then I get this pop-up window. All right, now with this pop-up window, you can give the event a title. You can add a Google Meet to it. And there's other options that you can add up here. We're going to be focusing our attention on 3 different things. Adding a Google Meet for it. You can use Google Calendar to schedule Google Meets. So that's one way to do it. To add guests, this would be people you want to invite to the meet. You can click on this little icon right here, add guests. And if you start typing in the names or email addresses for the people you'd like to invite, there's a good chance it will autofill whatever ones are in your contact book. If you want to add resources to it, you can add a description so that others will know what the meeting is about. You can click on this link and it will create a Google Doc so that you can attach a meeting agenda for this meeting. If you'd like to add another attachment, you can click on Add Attachment. And when you click on Add Attachment, it will give you options to pick from Drive that you can now associate with this event. If you'd like a few more options, if you click on More Options, you'll get a whole page where you can decide what you want for this event, give it a title, set specific dates, determine if it's all day or not. If it's not all day, you can determine the times for the event, determine whether or not it repeats. You can still add a Google Meeting. You can still create meeting notes. If you want to add an attachment, click on the paperclip there. To add guests, click on where it says Add Guests. And then with this view, if you click on the full page view, you can actually determine some settings for those guests. You can give guests permissions to modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. Sometimes you might want to hide the guest list, but you get those options, and that's how you can change those different settings for a Google Meet using Calendar.